In this video, we're going to focus on the array sort reverse method in Chart.js. And this is the Chart.js series. And if you've seen the previous video, we already created and used the sort array, and you already explored some of the aspects of sort array. However, what we only did was we sorted on the alphabetic order, and I realized we forgot one topic on the alphabetic matter, which was how do you sort in the reverse matter. So for example, instead of here we have the alphabetic order, how can we do this, but then we start with, for example, the descending order. So yellow should be first and blue should be at the very end. So how can we do this? Well, luckily it's quite simple. Once you understand the reverse method, basically you could do here reverse. Well, in this case it doesn't work reverse, and the reason why it doesn't work is of course we need to connect them together. So let's start and explore this, or let's start to add up this here. So if you want to reverse it, we could do almost similar here. And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to copy this. And then we say here, sort reverse value. And basically it's all the same. It's all identical except for one thing here. All what we want to do here is we want to put this all in reverse. So how will we do this? Well, basically here, we develop this, and then we say here, the sorted data that reverse. Or we can even remove this and just put it in here, this dot reverse. And then here as well, dot reverse, and dot reverse. If I save this now, we combine these, and then we can say here, sort. And then I realize we need to have a reversing button. So I'm going to put in here, sort reverse. And there we are. So I'm going to copy this button here, put it in here, copy this item here, and then I say here, sort reverse. If I save this now, refresh, and what happened? Of course I can remove that, that's some text outside. So if I sort this here and then I press on this, or if I refresh and then press on this, oh, doesn't work. Let's explore what's going on here. So cannot convert undefined object null at reverse. Let's double check what's going on here. Number 13. Number 13. Sorry, on number 13. Sorry. Oh, this is Chart.js. Let's go down here. Probably this here is not allowed. Sorry. So the reason why this is not allowed, apparently this, you're not allowed to do this here unless we need to do it like that. I think we just forgot the parentheses. If I refresh now again, there we are. So now we have the sort, and we have the item here. So that's it. So this is very straightforward. Of course, just note, quick note, this is only alphabetic order methods, and it's time now to explore high to low and low to high instead of alphabetic order, but then specifically on data, because we are required to do some adjustments on it to make the sort work specifically for numbers, and I will cover it in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.